Me talking about my computer specs. My grandma who doesn't know what I'm talking about, but is happy to hear from me. Me and my dad going to buy ice cream after getting my teeth removed. Manager, don't be so dramatic. The customer can't be that bad. The customer. Child, Dad, I need a pencil sharpener for school today. Dad, no you don't. I got you. Windows security alerts. Malware detected. My computer. What was that noise? Me. Installed pirated game. The sound of progress. My friend. When someone takes the seat in the cafeteria that I've been sitting in for the last few years. Middle schooler. Maths was easy until the English alphabet decided to get involved. Me. Wait till you get to the Greek alphabets. Middle schooler. You can't just buy every plant you see. Plant people. Morning workouts in Italy. Life is a free-to-play, pay-to-win game. Teacher, what are you laughing at? Me, nothing. My brain. The croc. Me forcing myself to enjoy a game after I paid $40 for it. When you're on a school field trip and see another school. Me, why? My brain, just do it. Me. People with astigmatism driving at night be like. The same cartoons I've been watching since I was 5. Me. Did you know? Glass is called glass because it's made of glass. How I look in the mirror. How I look in real life. Doctors in the medieval times when the treatment actually worked. My mom when I'm winning the argument. Dad, who took the TV remote batteries? Kids. Me waiting for my mom to get ready after yelling at me to get ready. Me to shopkeeper, I need something with a lot of luck. Shopkeeper, say no more. Friend, what level are you? Me, 32. Friend, you were level 9 when we played last night. Me. 7-year-old me ready to leave the house forever because I can't have chocolate ice cream. When your friend meets someone only he knows and you just stand there like that. When someone forces you to go out and you actually have fun. What parents see. What kids see. The class punishment. The kid who did it. When you are listening to music and the best part comes on. Going back to my room after yet another long day of being in the living room. What it looks like. What it feels like. When your car starts making weird noises so just turn up the radio. When you are actually putting in maximum effort for the first time in your life and still nobody cares. Family and friends, what could be better than having kids? Me. When your body naturally and habitually wakes you up at 7 AM on the days that you are off. Feeling for a person I have absolutely no chance with. Me. The internet when an animal's feelings are hurt. The internet when a person's feelings are hurt. Cereal bag you take it out of the box for the first time. Cereal bag when you try to put it back on the box. Google, this laptop has bad display, old software, low rating and poor overall performance. Schools. I really need to live healthier. Me at 2 AM. Mom, I broke the lamp. Why? Because nobody shined brighter than me. This man built probably the thinnest house in Beirut to block his brother's view to the sea. And I thought my siblings were annoying. pro player playing this game since release. Me just trying to relax after a hard day. When you have caps lock on, but pressed shift on the first letter. Please log in into our website with your parents' permission. Batman. 10-year-old me deletes the shortcuts for the game thinking it uninstalls it. Buying my $60 video game. Buying a $1,500 coffee machine. My drunk sister explaining how much she loves me and that she shall fight anyone who breaks my heart. Me. Thank you for your payment. Me. There's no need to apologize. Me. When you ask grandma for an alien costume. Teacher, no cell phones in class. Kids at the back of class. My dog after eating the same food for 5 years over a million times. School is about how well you memorize stuff, not how smart you are. Parents, if those people could read they'd be very upset. Teacher, where is your homework? Me searching through my bag knowing I never attempted the homework. Me put earphones in my pocket. My earphones, 2 seconds later. Taco cat. Spelled backwards is taco cat. Flight goes off at 8 AM. My family at 6:30 am. Are you sleeping? Yes I am. Now shut up. How do babies think before they learn any words? Me. Clicks Chrome. Chrome. Doesn't open. Me. Clicks multiple times. Chrome. When you send a risky text and they stop replying. Shouldn't have said that. I should not have said that. The food my mom cooks. Versus the food my sister cooks. What normal people do on the bus. What I do on the bus. I wonder how Mike Wazowski be crying. Me explaining that I couldn't make the appointment because I was sick. My doctor. 9-year-old me being a tree in the school play. My grandparents. Your crush texted back. And what did she say? I like you too. A nice rock I just found on the beach. 5-year-old me. When you are playing rock, paper and scissors in the mirror and you actually win. Me, slightly moves. My dog. When they come to your house and try to be player 1. CPU, stop running this game at 4K. Me, why? CPU. When you go outside without shoes, what it looks like. What it feels like. Rich people, poor people. Memes. How my dog see himself when the doorbell rings. When the teacher says it's safe to go back to school. Everyone doesn't want to talk to me. Me puts on headphones. Everyone. Pizza but everything is crust except the crust. Some men just want to watch the world burn. When you finally decide to ask a question and your teacher says it's a great question.